which is ruling the majority. It's a total culture of corrupt politicians with corrupt police officers and corrupt bureaucrats, or cowards of police officers, cowards of bureaucrats and corrupt politicians. It's a nexus of cowardice and corruption. Today our criminal justice system is actually justice for a criminal. It's not a criminal justice system. It's a criminal justice for a criminal. So it's a nexus. The Rathore is able to do something for a corrupt politician, and the corrupt politician pays back in return. And they both have skeletons in the cupboards. It's a very protective regime.
You scratch my back, I scratch yours.
What has Ruchika to give? What is Ruchika to give to Rathore? But Chautala and the politicians have plenty to take from Rathore, and Rathore has plenty to take from the politics. So it's a nexus of cowardice, nexus of corruption. So it's scratching my back. Rest is all. It's so.
What does an ordinary person do? What do these people do?
As a police officer, I'm amazed to see a DGP of a state recommending in a report that a case should be registered. Well, he can direct the police station to register a case. Why didn't he do that? Why didn't he do that?
He could have asked.
He could have straightaway told the SHO to register a complaint. Why is even R.R. Singh has only recommended? He could have in fact taken the SHO to task, saying, why have you not registered a case?
And no sanction was required for this prosecution. Let me tell you this.
Well, let me go to Mr. Duggal, who is sitting here, who has said that sanction was needed. Amrit, I'm coming to you.
No sanction was required.
I'm coming to you in just a second. Mr. Duggal, you said that as then Home Secretary, you needed the sanction of your political bosses to proceed with an FIR.
Not with the FIR, for prosecuting it.
No, you don't.
Under section 197.
197, how is this a discharge of public duties? How has it anything to do? He is sitting as a lawn tennis chap. He is gone and molested a child. What did it have to do with his function as a...
My recommendation was very clear. The file was kept by the minister for 3 months. I got transferred.
In those 3 months, could you not have pushed to get an FIR filed?
Yes.
Secondly, you need 197 at cognizance stage.
You were not given permission, and you maintained that you needed that permission.
Yeah, because he is a class 1 officer.
Mr. Duggal, don't you have a conscience? Don't you have a daughter at home?
No.
I mean, it's disgusting.
That is
I don't think
say a thing like that.
That is why I recommended. He should be prosecuted.
Barkha, I want to show you today's paper.
Go ahead, Amrit. Silence, please, there. Yeah.
It's the Sunday Tribune today. It starts with the AP governor, N.D. Tiwari, resigns because of molestation.
Well, not molestation, a different kind of sex scandal. Not the same thing. Let's not
we
mix
go
up
down.
issues here. Yeah.
It says process of withdrawal for Rathore's police medal, right? We are proud of this paper. We go to the back page. Goa Eve teasing, taxi driver held. That means laws are only for people who are not in uniform or who are not in parts. Then we should just move the IPC away. We should take it away and then just leave it. That okay, whoever does it.
You can't take away the IPC, please. The police make so much money out of the IPC. Please don't do that.
Manish Tiwari, it's not a popular place to be a politician. It's good of you to come on to the show. My question is simply this. If the Home Ministry can wake up now and issue a show cause notice to Rathore, was the Home Ministry asleep for 19 years under different governments, under the NDA?